Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm gonna show you how I make my fries in an easy way. So sit back, relax and take some tips from this video. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, share my videos, like and comment down below. So I served this with my crunchy chicken, and if you haven't watched the video of my crunchy chicken, it's up on my videos, so you can go and watch, like and comment. So guys, let's get to the video. For the ingredients, I have the potatoes, and they are finely diced into small pieces and well washed. And also I have this hot water that I'm going to use in soaking my fries, and this large bowl together with some salt. So this procedure, when using hot water together with the salt helps in giving your fries the best taste, and the hot water helps in making your fries so soft so that they can't last so long on the heat. Okay, try this recipe and you will love the results for sure. So mix everything together like so. Guys, I'm giving you the easiest recipes ever. Please share my videos to your loved ones, subscribe if you haven't, don't forget to like my videos and comment down below. So what I'm gonna do, after mixing my water together with the salt, I'm gonna go ahead and add my fries and soak them for like 30 minutes before I proceed with the next step. And by doing so guys, you will love the flavor in your fries. Try it out and tell me the results on the comment section. Okay, so let your fries soak in water and rest for 30 minutes. I'm lucky to have that fryer, and if at all you don't have, don't worry, you can use a normal sufuria together with some cooking oil. So after 30 minutes you can see the results of my fries. They are so soft and the salt has entered the fries so well. So it's time for me to deep fry them. So it will depend with the level you want. If you want them crunchy, if you want them soft, that will depend on you. After some minutes guys, you can see my fries are ready, looking somehow crunchy and ready to be served. So I'm gonna come back with the final results. And just like that guys, we have our fries ready to be eaten, and I served this with some kachumbari, some sauce and a crunchy chicken. And if you haven't watched my crunchy chicken video, go on my videos and watch this video. It is an amazing video for sure. So try these recipes at home and tell me the results in the comment section, and I really appreciate your support. Okay, subscribe if you haven't, and until on my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Bye guys, I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah.